Hello. He appears to be an elf.
Whoa, see how squishy that is. Let's drip that over there.
Welcome to the Fizzy Show!
I'm too excited to sleep. Well, Phoebe, on Christmas Eve, we have to get plenty of sleep. But I want to meet Santa. How about we leave some milk and cookies for him? Cookies! Fizzy, we don't have any cookies. Well, this is what the magic is for, Phoebe. Fizzy, whizzy, bobbzy, bop! Perfect! Time for bed, Phoebe. Okay, I'll sleep, but only if we can sleep here in the living room. Deal. Phoebe, I'm trying to sleep. Dream, dream, dream.
I will leave the perfect Christmas surprise.
Fizzy, Santa has been! Well, Santa looks very different.
Hello.
Hi, Santa! Phoebe, that is not Santa. He appears to be an elf. Hi, elf! What are you doing here?
Well, I brought you a gift. Well, they look about the same size as Squishies.
It's a Christmas miracle! We have... Squishies? It's a strange gift.
Well, I'll leave you to find out more.
What? Miss Hands, we're gonna need a hand.
Hi, Fizzy. Hi, Phoebe. Whoa, those are some interesting Christmas decorations.
An elf messed up our living room.
Here, I'll clean it all up.
Oh, much better. Miss Hands, can we use the magnifying glass, please?
You sure can.
Well, let me see here. I see a snowflake. Oh, is that Santa's boot? Very interesting indeed. Hey, a tree. Well, this tells me one thing. They are all wrapped up.
Well, that's okay. We can open one up. I choose this one. Let's start here with this pretty paper. This could be a bit fragile. Let's have a look. Oh, getting in there. Oh, and I can see a color. It's purple.
Is it a unicorn?
Nice idea, Phoebe, but it's this kind of strange shape for a unicorn, don't you think? Let's just get all this paper off now and see what we have inside. Whoa, there you go. That is definitely a squishy. Whoa, see how squishy that is. And I think I just saw something inside. There's something inside there. Wow, what could that be? That is so cool.
Oh, that's what the elf meant. I think we should open them all up.
So, to open up this squishy, we need to put it in this magic pool of water.
Let's do it.
Okay, I am going to place this squishy in the magic pool of water. Here we go. Ooh. Let's drip that over there. Squeeze it in there too.
It's open. Let's use the magnifying glass to investigate.
Can you see anything in there, Fizzy?
Yeah, it kind of looks like a diamond shape inside.
Ooh, let's see if we can find it. In we go. It's so squishy. Wait a minute. Hang on. I think I found it. Look, there we have our diamond.
That is definitely a diamond! Awesome!
Oh, but wait, I think there's more in there. Whoa, this jelly is really sticky. Look at that, it's gold.
Pure gold! Awesome sauce!
Look closer, Phoebe, it is a gold coin.
Can we open the next one, please? Next!
Okay, let's unwrap our next squishy. And I choose this one. I wonder what color this one's gonna be. Whoop. There we go. Wow, look at that. It seems like this squishy is clear on the inside. Sure is very squishy though. Fizzy, would you like to investigate?
Let's see here. Nope, I can't see much. Keep going, Fizzy! I think we need to open this squishy up. Pool time!
It's time for our magical pool of water to return.
Perfect! Let's add it to our water.
Okay, here we go. Let's put it straight in the water and cover it over. Here we go.
Now we need to find the awesome items inside.
Whoa, this really is gloopy.
Keep searching! It's so glittery!
It feels really smooth and wobbly. Nothing down there, and nothing in there.
What about there?
Nope, nothing there. And here? Nope, I don't think so. Woo!
Now?
Wow, here it is. I found it. Wow, look at that. It's a Christmas bauble.
Bauble? A bauble, Bauble? Don't be disappointed, Phoebe. Oh, I'm not. It's a bauble, Bauble.
Ooh, now wait a minute. What's that in there? Hang on. Well, look at that. It's a key. I wonder what it unlocks.
Maybe we'll find out in the last squishy. What's inside?
Okay, let's unwrap the third squishy. Hey, look at that. Phoebe, it is pink.
Yes!
So let's add our pink squishy and let the magic happen. Time to see what's inside. Ooh. Oh, it's so squishy. Hey, wait a minute. Look, I found some pink beads. There we are. There's 3 of them.
Is there a unicorn inside?
I can't see any unicorns, Phoebe.
There's gotta be something else.
Oh, hang on. You're right, Fizzy. Let me just uncover it. Look, it's a Santa figure. Whoa, here we go. Looks like we have more treasure. We have a diamond and a coin.
What does it mean? Let's ask the only person who knows. The elf. Fizzy, Wizzy, Elfie, Wealthy, Pop.
Hey, I was eating my supper. Elf, what do these items mean? Well, you have found the items that belong to this treasure chest.
Awesome! But, why do we need a treasure chest?
I wanted to see if you could work together as a team, and Santa wanted to make sure you are ready for Christmas. I see that now. Let's rewind. Have a magical Christmas. Ooh.
We are ready! Did he say rewind? Fizzy! It's Christmas! It's a unicorn! Merry Christmas, Phoebe! Merry Christmas, Fizzy! Thanks for watching! We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day! We will see you next time!
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bo.